Donovan, have you been hit?
I got hit in the face.
Donovan got hit in the face.
That doesn't work!
I got it! Got him! You got it, doesn't work. Are you okay?
No.
No.
What do I want? I want this. I want this.
Right now we are at Maggie's house. Maggie!
I have mud on my shirt.
Thought I had a real gift.
Hannah? Maddie, Allie, and Donovan Leiden, and we're here for a leads rehearsal. And what are we doing today?
We're running the show.
We're running the show. Oh, there's Donovan Leiden.
This is how I gotta live. Great big stuff. Oh no, alternative. Great big stuff. I want my silver spoon.
Load them all up.
How do we go from rehearsing to a Nerf?
Hello! Because Hannah doesn't know how to pick her battles, so now she's gonna lose. Right? Within it.
Because I'm a female?
Yes. Cool people besides Allie and Maddie that will be taking. Oh, hey, that's not. Hey, we're on the same team!
Oh my god.
The Nerf gun war will commence in a few moments. So if you shoot me, that's disqualification. It's the same.
I'm sorry.
Alright, now this is, and you cannot pass this line.
You won't.
Hey! Alright, you're disqualified now. War begins now!
Hold on. Oh, hey!
We're secretly on the girl's side.
Where's my gun, Jonathan?
Where is your gun?
Where'd I put it?
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get hit?
Oh, show! Get down. Alright.
No, Hannah! No!
Wait, no, I need to get your final moments. Alright, right now we're reloading. Alright, how are you doing so far?
I got shot twice.
I know you did get shot. I think we all died over here. Well, we know we got Hannah. She took one for the team.
I only got shoulder skinned. I'm good.
Alright, Jonathan's only alive, but we're all alive for the next round.
Delicious.
Round 2.
Let's just say I've never done this before, but I think I'm coming a long way. She's a rookie, but
I think I made Donovan's arm fall off.
Donovan, have you been hit?
I got hit in the face.
Donovan got hit in the face.
That doesn't work!
Got it! Got him! You got this to work. Are you okay?
No.
No.
Can you load a gun for me? No. Retreat. Hannah, that's not how this works.
Hey, we have your friend Hannah.
Please! Please help, Maggie.
Hold on, if they're on the cross enemy line,
Maddie's next.
Whoa.
Oh, I got hit in the hand. Retreat!
you're dead!
Get out!
Multiple times.
What? Exactly.
over here. What do you
Equal.
call this?
Equal. It's
What do you
equal.
call
That's what
this?
you guys did before.
Well, it's equal now, so we both did it in the
Jonathan
wrong.
hit
Hey,
well.
game over.
Yeah.
I think that was pretty good.
That was fun.
That's your turn.
Jonathan, I would like to congratulate you for staying in character.
Yeah. Now, back to Bo Monster Mare.
Who wants some there?
Excellent match. Oh, my hand. Oh. Alright. Losers have to pick up all the ammo.
I think you guys
We
lost.
lose!
You guys lost.
No, we didn't.
You guys are just inherently losers.
No.
I think we're all losers because we haven't learned our lines yet.
I know.
I think that's good. Okay.
I know my lines.
Burned. Got him good there, Maddie.
Alright, Allie, you can stop filming.
Yeah!